Have you ever been lost in a new place? It happens, but don't worry. Today, I will teach you how to ask for directions in German. When you need to find something, just say, Wo ist? Where is? Wo ist der Bahnhof? Where is the train station? Wo ist? And you had the place. Good. Now, let's say you need a ticket for the bus or train. You say, Ich brauche eine Fahrkarte. Ich brauche eine Fahrkarte. That means I need a ticket. Hold on, just before you hop on that bus, let's make sure it's going the right way. Simply ask, Geht dieser Bus nach? Geht dieser Bus nach? That means, does this bus go to? For example, Geht dieser Bus nach Berlin? Does this bus go to Berlin? Great job today. Now you can ask for directions, get a ticket, and check if you're on the right bus or train. Try using this today. Gute Reise. Have a good trip und bis morgen.